Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just sent me a email questioning the video I just made about joining nodes, and it didn't work for them. And after we've talked back and forth a couple of times, if you're joining a node on one or two objects, it's different. This circle is one curve on a layer, but it has a broken gap. So you can take your shape tool and select them both, right click and join. That does not work if there are two lines and they are not on the same path. You've got two objects selected. They do have a gap between them, so you cannot join them in the traditional way. You can actually select one and then hold down the shift key and select the other, but there's no join in your click. So there's two ways to get to that. One, you can go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and your Join Curves Docker will open up. I've got a tolerance of a quarter of an inch. And let's just, for chance, let's just see what this is. See, this is like hardly not even a measurable amount is broken. So with your pick tool, select both items and just hit apply. Now you've got a curve on one layer and it's joined together. Now let's back up here. The other way you can do it without opening this up is just go to Arrange and Join Curves, and it will open that same, it might be save you a step instead of going to Dockers. And then you can hit apply. I've done a video on this before. Let's back up here. Let's do this. Let's bring this line to this other line. So they're actually joined, but they're not because there's still two items. But let's set our nudge factor on 0.26. And let's nudge this out of the way, 0.26 of an inch. Our nudge tolerance, well, let's just measure this. Let's grab the parallel dimension tool and let's go from that node to that node, and we are 0.26 apart. So it's not going to close that, but there's a lot of times you want to keep your tolerance low, but if you select both these and hit apply, it's not going to do anything. Let's just change it to 0.27. Join these two, or select these two and hit apply, and you can see it joined them. And the reason you'd want to keep it low is if you had more than one line in the scenario and you accidentally selected it and you applied, and then you get stuff like that because it didn't join the two you wanted to. It joined the closest one to itself. Anyway, I hope it answered their question, and thank you for watching.